Darling, ooh, sure taste sweet. Darling, ooh, sure taste sweet. Wellington, mon bon ami, you couldn't have better timing. Always answer when I call it. All day and all night I'm with them. Not a week.
Okay, so here is all the supplies that I'm going to be using to do my wash and go after taking out my Faux Locs. Make sure you get some olive oil. And I'm using a cold wash first. You know, yeah, scoop it all up. Actually, better idea. No. No. I gotta scoop it up because I want to put this in the microwave. And I can't put this plastic container in the microwave because it will melt. And you can't heat olive oil on its own because it'll lose some of its, all of its glorious properties. You don't want to do that, so put that there. I'm not measuring, I'm eyeballing, but heating this up expedites the whole plastic cap process. Watery consistency. I'm trying to like demonstrate this the best way I can, but it's so awkward. Make sure that you have plenty of these. You're gonna need these in the shower to make everything a lot easier. What I like to do, I like to apply this before the shower, get in the shower, and then rinse it out. And there was a post that I saw. Do you wash your hair then shower? Or do you shower then wash? I wash my hair and then shower. It makes it, I mean, it makes more sense to me. Oh god, so finally after an hour I have successfully combed out all the braids. Now it's time for me to treat my hair, wash all of this. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I apply the mixture that I showed you how to make with the olive oil and the conditioner. Okay. So I bought these scrunchies, well, majority of my scrunchies on a ring. So I take all the scrunchies that I have and just put them on the ring to just make them more accessible and easier to locate, you know, because bobbies and bobby pins and scrunchies have something in common. You buy a bunch and you lose a bunch. So whatever I can do to make sure that they stay together, that's what I do. Anyway, so we're gonna part this in 4. You can scoop it up. Or if you don't want to scoop, just grab it up in your hand and massage it in. That feels so nice and warm. Oh, that feels good. If you have an applicator tip bottle, go ahead and do that. I'm too lazy right now to go and find my applicator tip bottle and do this, so I'm just gonna use my hands. And I want all of it in my hair, not some of it in my hair and then some of it in the bottle. Sometimes I struggle to get all the residue out the bottle, so we're just gonna do this. Then you can go in with your wide tooth comb. This is why I love a wide tooth comb. That's this width. Cause watch. Just goes right through the hair. Right through. Versus if it was a shorter comb, it would require more strength, more effort, more arm power, more combing because the teeth doesn't go all the way through your hair. Scalp is clean, hair is clean. Time to prep for the wash and go. I'm gonna part my hair into 4 workable sections. You know what? Let's just use my fingers. Okay, so half my head is done. The back area here was done first, so it dried first, and then coming closer here onto the front, it's still wet. Now to finish the other. Almost done. Almost done. And this is the left side. Still a little wet. And then the right side. Bottom portion dry, top section still wet. Now I don't know if you noticed, I have about 2 curl patterns. The bottom is always a lot more tightly wound than the top. The top takes forever to look like this, but it almost tries to get there before it starts to wave out. And if I hadn't cut my hair to the point of where all my damage was gone, I would have thought that this was damaged hair, but I'm coming to understand that this is the way the top portion of my hair grows. It's just a looser curl. It's not going to be as tight as these. It's just gonna get looser at the top. And these here, like gradually coming up, it's tight, looser. Like right here, and then the top portion. So anyway, I'm just gonna show you how I've been doing the top portion. The side, just do the side. I was using Gorilla Snot in combination with Curl Dynasty Cream Custard. I like this hold and I like this hold. This by itself would do the job, but I've finished the entire bottle. This by itself did the job when my hair was shorter, But now that it's longer, I don't want to use the entire tub, so I combine both gels to get the definition that I like without having to use all of it. As some people know, this dries very crunchy. The vanilla cream custard is a very moisturizing hold. It doesn't dry crunchy at all, so when I combine the two, it's just like an even mix. And yes, I cut it. I cut it so I can get everything. Still going. So the method that I've been using on this side, shingling. So let's just put this here. My hair is already moisturized, guys, okay? I twist it like this so that the hair that I'm working on doesn't get tangled in with the hair that I've already shingled out. And now I'm going to get in here and get some of the SNOT and apply it to like the roots. Some oil. I'm gonna keep doing that, and I'll come back and show you guys when it's all done. All right?